In this video, I'm going to show you 5 HubSpot reports that every marketer needs on their HubSpot dashboards today. Look, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. You don't want to miss any happy HubSpotting happening here, do you? Of course not. Make sure you leave us a big thumbs up if you like this video as well. Right down there, right down there. The HubSpot reporting tool can turn any marketing specialist into a revenue wizard. Obviously, you know that what gets measured gets improved. At least that's what Peter Drucker told us years ago. To be honest, it's totally true. That means measuring your marketing and sales efforts is critical to your business and its success. It's also critical to showing the value marketing brings to your company. So I have to ask you this question. Do you know where to start? Do you know how to tap into the vast wealth of reports in your HubSpot portal? Look, I get it. With so many reports available, picking a starting point can seem daunting. Well, fear no more, because that's exactly why you're watching this video. We're going to free your mind and give you 5 HubSpot reports to start using today. Like now. No, like really, as I mentioned them, add them to your dashboard. HubSpot report number 1. Top landing pages by new contacts. This report shows the top landing pages by number of new contacts created. It even figures out the view to contacts rate. Why is that important for your business? If your goal is more customers, then you probably start with more leads. Landing pages are still a valuable tool in the marketing toolbox in 2019 and far beyond. And knowing which landing pages perform the best can help you understand your buyer persona better, as well as plan campaigns around either popular offers or not so popular pages to increase conversions. HubSpot report number 2, abandoned cart recovery. If you have an e-commerce shop, you will at some point in time be dealing with customers who have abandoned their shopping carts. What the heck, shopper? Hit that buy button already! Oh, sorry, I lost it a little there. The HubSpot Abandoned Cart Recovery Report helps you see how many of those abandoned carts have been recovered. Phew, okay, cool. I can calm down a little now. When you know how your cart is performing, you can then put in place an abandoned cart workflow that sends automated emails that help contacts re-engage with your products and services that they can purchase in the store that they were just in and abandoned. Anyway, get the workflow going. It's a great sales and marketing strategy for anyone conducting commerce online. You can filter this report by time and then use the data that you find to understand how well your abandoned cart campaign or workflow is working. Want to dive deeper? Then watch this video where we talk about it even more. HubSpot report number 3, lifetime order value by source. When you need help understanding where you should focus your sales and marketing powers, the HubSpot lifetime order value by source report might be what you're looking for. With this HubSpot report, your team can view how much revenue each source has generated for your company over a customizable time frame. Want to know if offline outperformed organic? Maybe if social media brought in enough revenue to have positive ROI? Then the lifetime order value by source report is right up your alley. HubSpot report number 4, website page performance. Want to know how many views your total site has, the number of CTAs clicked, or average exits per page view, your bounce rate, and more? It's all in this HubSpot report. The website page performance report shows a quick snapshot of the most important performance data from HubSpot hosted website pages. You can let the boss know what's working and what isn't, and create more pages that mirror the high performing website pages that you're falling in love with. You might also find pages like service pages with CTAs perform really well. What other services can you focus on for your readers and viewers? No, that wasn't a rhetorical question. Like, really, what can you do? What can you focus on? HubSpot report number 5, blog post performance. With this report, you can get a quick snapshot of the most important performance data from HubSpot hosted blog posts. See how many views your blog gets, the CTA views and conversion rates, the entrance your blog is responsible for, and average time per page view, and more. Man, I love average time per page view. Your blog is or should be a large part of your inbound strategy. You want to make sure that you're paying attention to the data and making smart decisions as you move forward with your content creation process. I mean, remember what Peter Drucker said? That's right, what gets measured gets improved. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell as well so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community and so you get instant notifications. Want to get videos like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special only Sprocket Talk list. Head over to our private Sprocket Talk Facebook group for more education and a community of other HubSpot users on a journey to master this thing we call HubSpot. And last but not least, if you need training past this video, then check the description one more time for our 1 and 2 day on location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops. Look, until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative saying, make sure you're looking at reports, make sure you're measuring, and make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.